Oh my God, there's people in the cars.
All of the activity, Pete, is
They're crazy.
Right here.
They're following
it. Just picked up something.
Those people are following.
Look at that.
That bag.
Right now, what we're looking at is
Oh, no,
at debris. You can see trees that are being knocked around. You can see debris that is flying through the air.
That's on the ground?
This picture right here,
Yeah.
I see a cell phone tower. As it gets over near this this large building, we can see the debris that it's knocking around, that it's lifting up. I can see cars that seem to be driving toward it.
They're crazy. Like they just stopped right there. You see them just hit the brakes?
175 right there. That's U.S. Highway 175 right now.
Oh my God.
That's right, Pete. It just crossed over 175.
Look how bad it's raining over there.
About 7 to 8 miles south of that storm itself.
Oh my God.
Cars are stopping. They're pulling over to take a look at it. Both northbound traffic is very sporadic. A lot of the northbound traffic has stopped to pull over, especially the 18-wheelers, the high-profile vehicles. They are not about to get
over.
Oh shit!
Oh my God. Oh my God, there's a house.
Stopping to take a look at it as it makes its way eastbound across 175. There's some debris right there. I don't know if you can see that in Rusty's picture. I can see debris as it's flying up from the ground into the storm as it makes its way eastbound.
That's right. And right now we're almost.
They ain't nowhere near Fort Worth. Fort Worth is cool. This is Dallas.
Just to the north of Seagoville, we just saw the tornado that's clearly on the ground right
Walmart.
now. You can see the debris that is blowing up from this tornado.
It's about to pick
Steve
up.
McCauley, from your vantage point, we're going to, of course, stay with HE.
God,
Oh shit!
Right by the house.
Tornado right now. Transformers are exploding as the winds from this.
That's knocking out all their power.
Havoc across,
oh my God! Look at all the
Dallas County now getting ready to move into
least
the west
the houses
side
are
of
cool.
Kaufman County at this moment.
I know,
From
it keeps on going right in between them, huh?
Very similar.
That's right, Pete. I mean, I can literally see trees being pulled out of the ground and launching into the air. And
oh my God, this shit's gonna get bigger.
That we're seeing multiple vortices rotating around the common center, and sometimes those produce some of the strongest damage. This is a little bit odd for a tropical type situation to produce this kind of intensity of a tornado, but they can happen, and it appears that we are seeing that.
Look how this drop shit out the sky.
We're climbing up a hill right now.
Oh, it's done? That was it.
I'll let you go ahead and go back to your narration of the event, and then when we break out, I'll try to give you some more information.